Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Well, I'm just getting ready for my 4th of July barbecue. NABCO's having this crazy 2-day-in-a-row double points promo, and I'm taking full advantage, so you better too. Today's the last day. Omaha Steaks, camping gear. What about those delicious desserts from all around the country, delivered straight to you? That's next. And the website, incredible. It's fully automated now. Instant gratification, no more waiting. How many points do I have? Nah. Go on the website, log in, you're going to see all the packages, and you're going to see your points. And if it's a double points day, like today, you're going to see double points as soon as it's invoiced. So it's a huge, huge improvement. Much easier. We broke it down to 3 steps. Order from NABCO, log in, and redeem. Happy 4th of July.